CoolWallet Pro app. The pros, the cons. When most people think of crypto wallets, they picture clunky USB sticks or confusing interfaces. But the CoolWallet Pro app changes that narrative by combining sleek hardware with seamless mobile control. It's portable, secure, and surprisingly smart. Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the CoolWallet Pro is a hardware wallet designed like a credit card, thin, flexible, and easily fits in your wallet. Paired with the CoolWallet mobile app via Bluetooth, it lets you manage your crypto securely from your phone without relying on a computer. Security is where CoolWallet Pro really shines. It uses secure element chips, the same level of protection used in passports and bank cards. Your private keys never leave the device, meaning even if your phone is compromised, your crypto stays safe. The app supports multiple blockchains including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain and Tron, allowing users to store a variety of assets. It also integrates directly with DeFi platforms, NIFT marketplaces, and staking services, all while keeping your keys offline. Another pro is mobility. Unlike traditional hardware wallets that require USB connections, CoolWallet Pro connects wirelessly, making it ideal for users on the go. Now for the cons. While Bluetooth makes it convenient, it also introduces a potential attack surface, though no major breaches have been reported. The app's DeFi integration is improving, but not as extensive as browser-based wallets like MetaMask. Another drawback is price. CoolWallet Pro is more expensive than many software wallets or even some hardware alternatives. Lastly, setup might feel a bit technical for beginners, especially when pairing the device with the app for the first time. In conclusion, the CoolWallet Pro app and device offer a rare mix of style, portability, and high security. The surprising truth: it's one of the few wallets that truly combines cold storage protection with hot wallet convenience, all in a pocket-sized design that actually looks cool.